Good morning. It is certainly morning. It is, well, actually, this clock says 7 o'clock, but it is actually 6 o'clock because the clocks changed last night to show you breakfast that turned into this masterpiece. Hi, smiling superhuman breakfast. I really need to go shopping because you're even more empty now. I've just been dreaming a lot about these videos and the next level of total spontaneity in all of it. Just letting all the creations come out really, really real time. That's that, and it feels really good. So today my goal is to finish all the past blog stuff that I've filmed and edited. Whoa, you hear that? It's really blustery out there. Whoa. So we're going to the food co-op. Jessica is here. Say hi, Jess.
Hey.
Hi. I have edited 1.5 vlogs. And now I need to go co-oping because I have officially no food, like minus food. And check out my bathroom. Oh, what is that? It's not down. We're half in reconstruction, and just gotta shoot my makeup drawer really quickly. Really quickly, I know. Look, organisation. Oh my goodness. Alright, more on that later. So, getting bags, getting out the door. These bags are the coolest bags ever. The bags, these co-op bags, they're like got moons on them and cows and, you know, the ones that are in that video. And I've got all these little things. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. I can totally use those for putting stuff in. That would be the bag before, right? Off we go. Put your shoes on. Got a Sunday outfit on.
Looking super fly.
Leggings and sweater. And boots. Oh, the winter look. So nice. I need my sunglasses. Whoa, it's nice. It's not that cold.
It went with
Oh, it's really not cold at all. You lied. Yeah, it's cold. Ah, it's cold.
Yes, and windy and cold and sunny all the time.
All at the same time.
I like the goose splat.
Oh, they're cool.
I'm nearly at the co-op.
First stop, eggs and sauerkraut. Jess gets her eggs at her local butcher's. It's apparently out-egged the co-op. Sauerkraut. So check out all these crazy different types of mushrooms. These are lobster mushrooms. Whoa. Which I'm not going to buy, so sorry for picking that up and handling it. Oh, this is the chicken mushroom of the woods. Crazy. And look at that. That is banashamiji beach mushroom. And this is, looks like a flower. These were trumpet mushrooms. Bean mix. In you go. Hey, little bunchies. Always be on time. This time. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. Co-op traffic jam. Tomatoes. Look at these. Wow. Aren't they gorgeous? Maybe some of these. Flower power. I love this ginger. I'm gonna get a nice big fat one.
Laura likes it.
I love it. Young ginger. Yes, this is something I definitely like, big and fat. Beautiful. Cauliflower ever. Fractals. Sweet potatoes. Flax oil. Very good for you. Bird's eye view of the co-op, kind of. The cart so far. There's a lot of stuff in that cart, but I eat it. I don't know. Seem to get through my food somehow. Tea. Nettle leaf tea. Very good for the winter. Oh, turmeric. Did anyone notice if they had turmeric? Check it. Darth Vader and some postcards. You burned your Buddha?
I'm a bad person. You have burned your Buddhas.
I once, but only because he was so old and disfigured. So I've got a whole bunch of candles in here. Another 2 pumpkin candles. And these. Yeah. Cherry lights. And 2 filet mignon. Natural face paint stick. So here's Jess's cart. And here's my cart. How do I manage to get through so much food? Well, you see, I guess.
I always am like continually impressed.
I don't know. I don't think I eat a lot, but apparently I do. Alright, this is this one. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Gabriel.
Gabriel. Laura. Thanks, sorry you get the hill now.
No.
So I was just telling Gabriel about Superhuman School and all the crazy coolness that is going on, and he was telling me he's a filmmaker.
Yes.
And he's got a friend who's a futurist.
I mean, really, he dropped a lot of educational knowledge. It's like the schoolhouse is going to be dead.
Totally.
10, 15 years.
Totally.
So,
Or it is already.
or it kind of is.
Well, hence Superhuman School.
Right, exactly.
That's like the whole next level, because it's like if you don't learn mastery of your like body and mind and the power of imagery and thus technology,
Right.
like there's nothing.
Totally.
Like that's all there is.
You don't have anything.
Yeah,
Because at the end of our lives, that's kind of all we have.
exactly.
So why are we getting distracted?
Exactly. Superhuman videos?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
Am I getting a nice silhouette right now?
you're very
Or is
silhouette.
it auto-exposing?
It's very, you look like you have light beams shining upon you and a blue hexagon on your face. Oh no, there you go.
Laura, it was great to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Stay in touch.
Yeah, definitely. Bye. Cool. Always meet incredible people at the food court. So now have all of this to get up there. Luckily only one flight. Wanna come help? Half unpacked. Wanna achieve my candle collection. I think I might be slightly candle obsessed. And I haven't finished unpacking the rest of the stuff. So actually I just want to chew this pomegranate before I eat it, that is. Look, it looks like a brain. Like, you see that? The 2 halves of the brain. And they're like corpus callosum down the middle. I don't think this is technically what a brain looks like, but it just looks very brain-like to me. Let's go closer to the light. Whoa, can you hear the wind? So anyways, I'm like peeling it. You can imagine like, that's your head, and there's your brain. Oh, the things that go on in Laura's mind. Technically wouldn't want to eat your brain. Anyway, as you are, carry on. Talk to you later. Oh my gosh, my house is such a mess, and got another video finished and uploading, and I have not tidied it up, and Emily's on her way. Yay! I'm so excited. And I'm gonna make pancakes really quickly, and then we gotta leave in time to get to Orky on time, so that I'm not running late like last time. Okay. I'm gonna try pomegranate in these. We shall see if that works. Depends what kind of core, really. I'm excited to see Emily, and I just watched some of Alicia live and it was really exciting. Okay, so sweet potato pancakes coming up. There she is, there she is, there she is. Emily, she just got back from San Diego. Yes, 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 yes. We better not fall out the door or get locked out.
I know.
Oh. Hey!
Hey, back in New York.
Coming to my messy house. I mean, it's kind of messy and kind of brilliant. Oh, and I edited the one where you did the session on me and you finished it, and it's so cute.
Oh.
Do you remember that session when nail polish came out?
Yeah, I think so.
Because I never used to wear nail polish, ever.
Now every picture I see you and you're wearing it.
And it came up in a session with Emily a long time ago on that roof over there. And
Oh, was it?
remember? Do you remember that session?
Not like location wise, I mean.
Oh, we did it on the roof in my other apartment.
Okay. Can I have some greens?
Yeah, no, I bought enough food for you. I figured. Check out the fridge.
Nice! Oh, they have new eggs. I got the best sauerkraut.
Really?
At the farmer's
Where
market
from?
in San Diego.
Really?
So good. It has seaweed and sesame and it's really good.
We need to make it. What do you think? Look! So pretty!
It's so good. What are these?
Eggs?
Oh, those for me. I'm gonna go on there.
Yes. Come on, pancakes! Go, 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 go. This is a good one. Hold a, what is this? Spatula. And do this. Oh, don't do it that fast.
Yeah.
Too soon.
I'm not used to doing that.
Yeah, go slow. It's intense for you, but it's oh. I made some really bad pancakes last week. Just like total flop. As in they were floppy.
Reenact. Okay, I just messed it up.
Very good. Good. Well done. Yay! Look at this, so pretty. Aww. And there's the picture of the pancakes. Everything must be documented and turned into technology. Watch this egg trick. That's a trick. See? Egg. Magic. See?
Magic.
We just ran
You just made it like
to the train
on time. Hug me. When did you get back? No. Just like 3 o'clock. Last time too. Yeah. Came back and went straight to Orky. Yeah. Orky, I'll get you every time. Hi. Hi. Filming me?
Yes. So, the subway didn't work, so we had to get a cab. The rest of the way, the subway didn't work. The subway worked, it just stopped at 96th Street. This building is so amazing. Whoa, and the stained glass windows. Anyway.
love it out there. I love it when it's snowing. Yeah.
So we're going into Orky now. I am going to say goodbye in case I don't turn on afterwards. So this might be it. I might talk to you afterwards. If not, have a lovely whatever rest of your day and I'll see you in the morning. Bye. How was your Orky experience?
It was really nice. I had nice images.
In one word.
Lots of hearts floating around the room. Floating.
How is it, Caitlin?
It was really incredible. I went to high dimensions.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Hashtag peace.